This is the muffler. How about the body and the cavity? Can you show us how you tube and how the process works?
Yeah, this area is press and bonding machine area.
All right.
This area we make a muffler cap.
Caps on the body,
Yeah.
And the stamping process?
Yeah, sample the brackets and some other parts. Yeah, you can see the workers, they are bonding the muffler cap to make the muffler inlet and out like round.
Right, yes.
Sometimes the muffler,
how it expands,
it over. They have to make the shape to be round enough. This machine is for the muffler body. You can see
that's the shape.
Yeah, this is the mold or tool. And after the machine working, this area is, you can see the
different molds.
Mold. The machine when running, make a muffler the body to the oval shape. And sometimes you can see we also have the press machine, sample the brackets and some hangers.
Right,
and also some of the above line.
Very impressive.
Yeah, this area is so important.
Very.
They can finish sample pounding price and even bending works from here.
Okay.
So see the muffler body, see the muffler round or oval shape.
All right, different shape.
It can be finished this area. The machine is a stamp machine. We stamp the flange here. For the header pipe, actually is from over to round finish process. The header part is over, but we have to be transferred to round. The other workers from type, this type, round types.
Yes.
All the workers by this area.